kind of fun. How a room full of things feels completely empty. You're not in the wings. How could I have known the fortune I would find, a peace deep in my bones, the beauty day and night. And you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way. The way our world needs your touch. You're touching every space, and how it makes any place feel like home. Some kind of lucky when I hit a wall. I know I can come, 'cause you're the ground beneath it all. And you make anywhere feel like home.
A friendly match, or do we need to find some harm?
Home isn't
That is
where
going to
we
be on
live,
that.
it's living by your
What's on
side.
Thank you, gentlemen. Embracing.
How much clearer must I be?
What a gift from Miss Edwina.
Staring at the window on a cloudy morning, trying to lick our wounds while the tea is swarming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around on a never-ending rail. This week has been a mess, but I'm gonna tell you, we're a bit at work, gonna make it brand new. We're gonna put away for a comeback. We all need some time, and I promise you that. Promise you that. I promise you that. I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't be today, I'm the shoulder you can cry on.
했을 때 우리라는 이름이 되고 서먹했었던 마음속에 이제 그 무엇 하나 남겨져 깜깜한 밤잠은 나오고 무심한 생각에 지쳐갈 때쯤 선명한 그대